If you need any help in any aspect of having to do something with credit, you really need to, you would be doing yourself a disservice by not working with Chris Coburn. Have any clients or any friends to help boost their credit? Because when it comes down to it, like, credit stuff is incredibly personable, and not a lot of people are willing to be that vulnerable, because you're exposed. Have to realize is that, with our vulnerabilities, if we're able to put them out on the shelf and say, hey, listen, I messed up, this is a really bad time in my life, here's what happened, there's got to be a story behind it majority of the time. And I'm here to help bring that information to you, so that way get yourself into a better position, start creating financial freedom for yourself, to where you can maybe get yourself out of a job that you hate, or maybe get out of a living situation that's just not for you. So all of those aspects all tie back to credit, and that's why Chris is here. So